Hi everyone, good day from wherever you're watching me from. On today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to make turban cap for babies and adults at home. Here you are seeing this video, I'm trying to measure the measurements you'll be using. So I measured 24 inches by 28 inches. My head measurement is 23, which will be adding 1 inches more to so that when cutting you won't cut out the length of the fabrics. So if your head measurement is 23, you add 1 inches more, that would be 24 inches by 28 inches. The length will be 28 inches and the width will be 24 inches. So after I've cut it out, I'll cut the measurement out, and the material you have to use have to be a stretchy material, and you can make profit from this if you can start a business with this. I bought this material for about, I think, 800 naira per yard, which I think I make three from. I bought 2 yards, which is 1,600, and I've made at least 3 or 4 from 2 yards, and I still have much more left. So after I've cut it out, I'll cut out the baby's head measurement too. The baby's head measurement is 18 inches by 24 inches for babies. The length will be 24, the width will be 18. Hope you understand what I'm saying. And so this is the baby adult and the baby. So I'll be folding it into four layers, like just fold. I'll trim out the cuff edge. So I'll fold the layer into four, and I'll trim it out now. I'm just trying to bring out the excess fabrics because I don't want to make a mistake. So I'm trying to mark where I want to fold out, which is the extreme end of the fabrics that I folded earlier. So I will cut it out to bring out the cuff shape. So I've cut it out there, and you will unfold it again into two. So I'm trying to cut the baby's own too. This is the baby's. I'll fold this one too, and I bring out the cuff shape and I cut it out. Baby's head measurement is 18 inches by 24 inches. You can measure that on a tape rule. So once I'm done, I'll be doing a running stitches from this last end to the other end. A running stitches, a quick stitches. Just make sure the stitch is not too spacing so that it will bring a nice shape on your head. I secured the mouth together because I don't want any space to be left out. So I'm trying to secure the mouth together as I'm doing the running stitches. Make sure the fabrics you are using is a stretchy material, so that even if it doesn't size your head after when after you are done with it, at least if it is stretchy, it will fit in very well. So I'm still trying to do the running stitches. You don't have to be a tailor or fashion designer before making this. I'm not a fashion designer, but I've learnt a lot in a while, because as a woman or as a lady, you don't have to sit down and watch. This life is becoming advanced every day, so you don't have to put your hand everywhere. Just make sure whatever you put your hand to, pray to God and make the business profitable. That's it. So I think I'm done with the running stitches, and I'll secure the mouth together, and here it is. Our base for the cap is ready. So I'll secure the mouth together tightly, very tight. So once I've secured the end together very tightly, I'll cut out my thread. This is the base of the cap for adults, and I will proceed to making the baby zone. So I have here the baby's cap and the adult one. These are the two I make for this tutorial. And I cut out another fabrics, a circle for a small circle fabrics, and the length of this stuff you are seeing here is 5 inches by 80 centimeter, and the other one is 2 inches by 80 centimeter. If you want it more lengthy, you can add your length measurement, but what I use here is 5 inches by 80 centimeter. So after you have cut it out, you fold it into three equal lengths, and you place some heavy stuff in the middle to help you hold it down. Then you interchange the stuff, the cutout. I don't know how to explain it. Like, you just interchange, like you are making ear. So once I'm done with this end, I'll proceed to the other end, to same step, same procedure. And make sure you secure it to the extreme end so that it won't be left out. You don't need to use anything to hold it down if you secure it properly to the extreme end. So I'll proceed to the second end too. I'll use something to hold it down and proceed to the second end. I lose it a bit because the other place is not neat enough, so I try to start all over from the middle again. Just interchange the three stuff. Don't need to cut, just interchange. So once I'm done, I'll take my hot glue gun. This is what I have. This is what I have for the adult own. and this is for the baby's own. So I will take my hot glue gun and secure the mouth together. Hot glue gun now is about 2,000 or 2,500, so you can acquire one. All these things are not what I bought in a day. Once I have the money, I go to the market and purchase whatever I can afford. So I'll use the hot glue gun to secure it round. So once I'm done securing it, I'll use this same hot glue gun to glue this around whatever to the cap. I'll secure the extreme end inside too, so that it will be neat and the head will not be showing. So this is for the baby and that's for the adult. I'll secure it to the, I cut out this round circle shape to make my work more neater. So I added hot glue gun to the round shape, and I will add it to the, make sure you are adding it from the center of the cap, and I will put in the round circle shape that I cut out earlier. And here comes our cap is ready. Just make sure the thing is tight enough, it hold it down properly, and our cap is ready. Can you see? It's as easy as that. And make sure it is very neat enough. If you want the round stuff to be more bigger, you have to increase the length of the cap, and this is what I have. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Comment, try, and